This video answers the search, how to buy shares of 7C Solarparken AG, and shows the practical steps for that stock. 7C Solarparken AG develops and operates large solar parks, and its shares trade on Xetra under the ticker HRPK.DE. This is educational content only, not financial advice. You need a regulated broker to buy shares. I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you typically must verify your account with an identity document and then add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker HRPK.DE to find the listing. Check the search results to locate the correct 7C Solarparken AG share traded on Xetra. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the price chart. Confirm the issuer name, exchange Xetra, and ticker HRPK.DE to ensure you have the right asset. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review the order details and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at next market open, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the trade executes, you will see the position in your portfolio. For convenience, the eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps shown here.